Hi guys! For today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay lead-free soldering tip cleaner or TINNER, EDSYN LT-1. Yan siya guys. So what is lead-free soldering tip cleaner or TINNER EDSYN LT-1? EDSYN LT-1 is a lead-free soldering tip cleaner and cleaner used to clean, restore, and maintain the soldering tip of an iron, especially when working with lead-free solder. So what it is? Soldering iron tip thinner or activator cleaner, generic similar type of tool. A tip thinner or cleaner is a small container of lead-free alloy mixed with active cleaning agents, designed specifically for soldering tips. The EDSYN LT-1 is a lead-free and ESD-safe and is part of EDSYN's accessory line for lunar tips. What it's used for: cleaning oxidized soldering tips during soldering, especially with lead-free solder. The iron tip can oxidize and accumulate burnt flux or debris. LT-1 helps remove oxidization and residue that normal sponges or brass cleaners may not fully clear. Number 2. Retaining the tip. After cleaning, the tool leaves a fresh layer of solder on the tip, tinning, which improves heat transfers and prepares the tip for the next solder joint. This helps ensure better solder flow and quality. Number 3. Extending tip life. By regularly cleaning and tinnering the tip with LT-1, you reduce corrosive oxidation and wear on the tip, which prolongs its usable life and keeps performance consistent. How it works: warm up your soldering iron to operating temperature. Gently press on or roll the hot tip in the LT-1 material so it picks up the cleaning or tinning compound. After a few seconds, remove and wipe off any excess on a brass cleaner or damp sponge. This leaves a clean, well-tinned surface that solder will adhere to more readily. In short, EDSYN LT-1 is a lead-free tip cleaner and tinner used to clean oxidation and refresh soldering iron tips, improving heat transfer, soldering wetting, and extending tip life, especially when working with lead-free solder. So guys, yan ang ating EDSYN LT-1 lead-free tip tinner. So guys, ayun lang. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account. Thank you.